Want to run your standard servo at 400 degrees or even crazy 1000 degrees with absolute precision? What if you could control this massive range using standard PWM, analog signals, or directly through web UI? In my previous video, we gave a standard servo a major brain upgrade with custom PID controls and higher voltage handling. No matter how good the controller is, the servo itself is still physically trapped by a 180-degree hard stop. Today we are going to break the limit. We are tearing the servo apart, removing the mechanical stop, and dropping a high-precision magnetic encoder. Before we begin, consider to subscribe and give a like to my YouTube channel. First, you need to open up the servo, take off the casing, and locate the gear. You will see this gear having a small pump. This is the physical limiter that stops 360-degree rotation. Take a sandpaper and carefully scrub the limiting pin completely flat. It needs to be perfectly flush so the gear can spin continuously without binding. Next, let's look at the motor side. You will see a stock potentiometer and a control board. You don't need them anymore. You can either desolder the motor and remove the board, or you can just snip it out. The old potentiometer is out, which means the servo is flying blind. To fix this, we are going to upgrade it to a AS5600, a magnetic encoder for a massive resolution and continuous tracking. This is the full wiring. Watch the previous videos if you want to know more about the servo. I designed a 3D printed adapter that fits right where the old potentiometer used to sit. Take the 6mm magnet that usually comes with the sensor and press fit it onto the 3D printed part. Place the assembled part right on top of the output shaft that's inside the housing. Next, make a small hole on back cover of the servo. Finally, place the sensor directly over the magnet and lock it in place with a hot glue so it stays perfectly aligned. With hardware sorted, wire it up and download and upload the code. We can get the code in link in description below. Upload the code using Arduino IDE. Because we are using absolute magnetic encoder, the controller always knows the exact angle, even if it spins past 360-degree multiple times. In settings, you can change the rotational limit. This is for the PWM and analog control. If you are controlling using web UI, you can type the angle and it will go how much angle you want. For example, if I type 1000 degrees, the servo will move 1000 degrees. If you are going to use PWM inputs or potentiometer to control the servo, you have to put a limit. In here, I'm going to put a 1000-degree limit, or you could type 360-degree limit. If you put 1000-degree limit and control using PWM, the controller will automatically map the angles with the PWM signal so you get the correct angle. You can also put additional gears. If you're going to use additional gears, you can add in here and increase the gear ratio or decrease the gear ratio. It also comes with PID controls. So in here, you can change the P values, I value, and D value real time. By combining high voltage closed loop controller with the AS5600, we are actually turning a cheap limited servo into a high grade actuator. If you want to build this yourself, all you need is a 3D printed files and a code and link in description below. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more custom hardware, and I'll see you in the next build.